Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire.
Hey my lovelies, and welcome back to Nest's Kitchen. In today's video we are making special egusi soup. If you are a lover of good food, join me, let's get into it. If you were given this delicious soup, which type of fufu would you pair it with?
Whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand.
These are the ingredients I will be using. In here I have my frozen spinach, crayfish, beef, melon, my seasoning cube, salt, habanero pepper, stockfish, and my dry fish. Pepper mix, which I'll be using, and my red oil. To begin, we're gonna start by cooking our protein first. In a clean pot, add in your beef, stockfish, and season to your taste, and then cover to steam for about 5 minutes before adding water. I cooked my other protein off camera with pressure cooker to save me some time.
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Next, we are going to cut our already washed pepper mix into small sizes and blend with my Ninja blender. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking. And to my returning subscribers, you are welcome back. You guys are amazing. If you have watched this video to this point, please subscribe, hit that like button, and share with your loved ones so you don't miss out each time I upload a new video. 5 minutes later, we are checking on our meat and adding water to cook until it is fully tender. In a clean pot, pour in your palm oil and let it heat up for a minute, and then add in your blended pepper mix and fry on a medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes until the oil starts floating to the top. This builds the cool flavor and vibrant color of the soup. While the pepper mixture is frying, mix the grounded egusi with hot water to create a thick paste. Hot water helps to bind egusi so it cooks into a delicious lumps rather than turning into a watery batter.
Golden sunlight. If I'm going with
Now that our base is ready, it is time to add in the egusi. Scoop it in a medium-sized lump right into the pot. Once you have added it all, stir gently from time to time. Be careful not to break up the lumps too much.
Never the same. Never you calling my name. I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love.
Let them fry until they are nicely firm, and then we can start adding our meat stock, water, and stir properly to combine. Next, add in your washed dry fish, stockfish, ogiri, crayfish, and stir to combine. After that, add in your seasoning cube, salt, cow stripe, beef, cow leg, and stir gently to combine. At this point, the aroma in my kitchen is heavenly.
Never the same. Never you calling my name. I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight.
Finally, I added my remaining blended pepper and the frozen spinach. If you want to know how I prepared this spinach, let me know in the comments.
Like a wildfire.
Give it a quick test right here. Adjust your salt or seasoning cube if needed, and let it simmer for 5 minutes. And just like that, our special egusi soup is ready to serve. If you love this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share with your loved ones so you don't miss out whenever I upload a new video. See you in my next video. Bye!
Catching a breeze, love, moving through